By the looks of it, something got itself killed right around here. I think it's probably that sharp-shinned hawk. Although I did see a prairie falcon the other day as well. Either a sharp-shinned hawk or a prairie falcon. Get himself some food. Ate it right here. Look at this. Probably perched right here. And plucked. Ooh, one of the owls maybe. Although owls try to swallow things whole. They don't eat birds. We don't have any Saw-Whet Owls, do we? Interesting. I don't know what kind of bird it was. Here's some of the feathers. Well, it done get killed. Look at that. Little sparrow-sized thing. Yeah. Little sparrow-sized thing got itself killed this morning. The feathers are... What bird is that color? How about a mockingbird? What else has got that color? And feathers that big? What else has that color? Huh. Pretty big. Could be mockingbird. Don't know.